Hey friends, if you wish to use Google input tools on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I'll just cut it short. I'll share the link with you. All you need to do is copy this link, search for Chrome, don't search for any other browser, search for Chrome and open it and paste this link here and hit enter. So this will take you to the Google inputs tool page and then you can use it from here. Okay. And other than this, you can also install the Chrome extension. So click on this option and click on add to Chrome. Click on add as an extension. If you're adding Google input tools as an extension, that makes it even easier to use. It will appear here. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.